In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Nokia. Begin by opening settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose security section. Following that, tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Then choose Setup Face Unlock and click on Start after reading the disclaimer. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented below. Now click on Done and manage all of those face unlock settings however you wish to. You can also tap on Delete Face Data in order to get rid of it. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!